Hi there. Today about existence. What is the nature of existence? Are there different levels of existence? Being born into this human world, we take many basic things for granted. We are given certain explanations as we are growing up about how things are, how this existence as a human being is the only existence we have, so we keep flogging it to the extremes, the body, the mind, trying to extract out of it as much as possible, because after all, this is all we've got, right? Wrong. What is the nature of existence? Is existence tied only to this one particular human body? Or are there different levels of existence? You see, if growing up we were given different explanations about basic things, we would have a completely different attitude towards life, a completely different experience of life, a different understanding of what existence is, what is the nature of existence. But even as it is, we're experiencing different levels of existence, even as human beings. While awake, we have this one physical body that we flog. When sleeping, this physical body is sleeping, is placed in bed or somewhere, and it sleeps. And there is this other body that is doing things and experiencing things on a different level, somewhere else, in different environment. Experience, completely real experience, in a different body, in different environment, with different sets of rules, with different logic, because it's a different level of experience, different level of existence. Also, people who spend a lot of time in their so-called imaginary world, they create a different level of existence too. They have a different body there. There is a different set of rules there, different environment, different logic. People take drugs, especially certain type of drugs, to create this different existence. And they do. They create it with the help of drugs. While their existence in a certain physical body can be very drab, very harsh. On this different level of existence, they have different bodies. There is different environment. They experience different things. There is different logic. Completely different experience, completely different level of existence. And then there is this pure, original existence that supports all these other levels of existence. And we can access that too by sinking into the still mind, by practicing getting away from thoughts, not engaging with the thoughts, sinking into the silence, the stillness, more and more into this pure, original existence that has no form at all, and supports all these other levels of existence. So in a way, all these levels of existence are real. They're part of original, pure existence. But the experiences are different. The immediacy of the experience is different. The strength of the experience is different on different levels. And again, very different when we experience pure, original, formless existence directly. So you see, it all really starts with the not questioning certain explanations of basic things that we already experience. But if we do that, if we can open up our minds a little bit more and become open to different interpretations of what is, what existence is, what is the nature of existence, that can all change. And then we can bring up new generations with different explanations. And different worlds will be created, different levels of existence. Enough for today. Take care.